Honor GT2 Pro Tablet was officially launched just yesterday, and today we're taking a first look at it, along with its new smart keyboard. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. I've already removed the outer wrapping, and now it's time to check out the tablet. This video is meant to give you a closer and more realistic feel of the device, how it looks and feels in hand. Right away, you'll notice the massive display, which is incredibly immersive. Let's flip it over and check out the rear design. On the camera module, you can see the bold GT logo, which builds on the legacy of the previous GT tablet, offering a sense of brand continuity. The front features a highly translucent screen that looks stunning. Now, let's take a quick look at the charger. It comes with a 66-watt fast charger, which is pretty much standard for tablets these days. It looks quite premium. Compared to smartphones, the GT branding feels more at home on this tablet. Overall, I'm quite impressed with the design. It's a big step up from the previous generation. The tablet is also thin and lightweight, making it perfect for productivity on the go. Now that we've explored the tablet's design, let's check out the accessories. One big upgrade. The previous GT Pro didn't include a keyboard, but this time Honor delivers. Let's unbox the smart keyboard without wasting any time. Here it is. Can you see this keyboard module? It feels premium and well built in the hand. Let's open it up and take a closer look. It uses a buckle-style attachment system, similar to some phone accessories rather than magnets. That means it's more secure and less likely to fall off. There are 2 support slots underneath, so you can adjust the angle of the tablet as per your preference. Once the tablet is attached, it gives off a very professional, business-friendly vibe. That's all for today's unboxing and first impressions of the Honor GT2 Pro. More highlights and in-depth features will be covered in my detailed review video coming soon. If you're excited about that, make sure to subscribe and join our tech community. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.